Good morning, my subscribers and viewers. This morning we're going to talk about how to make your money machine. Every young youth in Jamaica can have them own money machine. Cause I buy up all my parts already. I fit up my money machine now. I buy my parts them and I take time and I build my money machine. So I fit up and I get all of the help. I get help for all Germany, Australia, England, Canada to help me to build up my money machine. Cause my money machine when I build it now, take a whole lot of help to build it. If you assemble it, to put it together. Cause I buy the parts them already and I fit up the money machine and to get it work. So in time it don't fit up, I print it and start print money. So every young youth in Jamaica to try make them money machine. After when you're done put your money machine together, you can't start print money. So that me I do right now. I build my money machine. And my money machine when I build. I'm a business, I'm a money machine, I'm employ people to, for work, for my building them when I build, Cause I build them I'm a money machine them, Every building when I own are my money machine them for my family. I'm a friend them too, cause you have heard and fight once you's a good youth and a good man, you have heard for my money machine when I make. So my money machine right now, I assemble it and I put it together. Yeah, I assemble it and I put it together and I get all of the help them when I need to put it together. Pay workman them to build help me assemble money machine. After when I done assemble this money machine, I be a print it a print, man. So every young youth in Jamaica, try build a money machine, man. And the money machine not hard to make, I don't need a great whole ton load of education to build this a money machine. It's just common sense you need and build a money machine where you can't stop have money. After when I build a money machine, I print money now. Yeah, you can't run out of money again, man, after when I done build a money machine, man. Can take care of you and your family. So pray madness and then build your own money machine, man. Every man fi build their own money machine. Yeah, man, after when you done build that, printing, yeah, man, a machine you have to count money, man. After when you done build this money machine, so every young youth, that me I try to tell her, I repeat it again. Build your money machine. And your money machine can be a skill too, Can be a driver's license, where you use make money, Yes, then your money machine and your printer that, can be a small business. Yes, I have to print your money. And you have to just consistent with your money machine. Now watch how say that in a printing of just consistent and know say yes, it a print money. Once it a print money you're good. So I just that me I try to teach you them. Build your money machine. After when you build your money machine, you have to get to our next machine now, for count money, after when you're done, build that the machine there, So I just that be I send to the world and I tell the whole world. Say every man try build a money machine. Just find out something what you love for do. Cause money can make off of everything, Yes, money can make off of everything. So I just you have to wise and know say alright. Say me I gotta build my money machine. I gotta do something I love. I can a skill. I can drive in. I that your money machine. So just do the right thing and build your money machine.